This is a wiring tutorial for the Shaw Superdew 3WP. Today we are covering wiring a 4 to 20 mA output. For alarm relays and digital RS485 output, please configure as required. Before we begin, make sure all power is safely isolated or switched off. To remove the terminal cover, loosen the retaining screws with a cross or flathead screwdriver of appropriate size. The diagrams on the inside of the cover assist with wiring. Unscrew the screw from the high voltage guard and remove. At this point, we also recommend loosening the terminals before feeding in the cables. The cable gland furthest left is the sensor input. Unscrew the cap and thread it onto the sensor wire before proceeding. It may also be necessary to remove the inner sleeve to insert the cable. If so, ensure this is also added to the wire. Align the connectors to the terminal, negative left and positive right. Insert the wires and tighten the terminal fixings with a crosshead screwdriver. Insert the rubber sleeve and screw on the gland to tighten the cable grip. Next, the output terminal can be removed for easier wiring. Unscrew the gland cap and add it to the output cable before feeding through. Carefully insert the output cable aligning positive left and negative right this time. Insert into the appropriate terminals and secure with a flathead screwdriver. Align the connector guides to the socket and press firmly until secure. Reseat the cable gland cap and hand tighten. Connect the alarm relays to the central terminal as required. Finally, remove the power terminal. Remove the gland cap and add it to the power cable before feeding through. Carefully insert the power cable through the gland. Ensure the correct alignment from left to right, live, neutral, and earth. Insert the connectors into the terminal, ensuring that no metal protrudes, and tighten with a flat-headed screwdriver. Once the connections are tightened, you can reinsert the terminal, pushing firmly to engage the connector. Replace the high voltage guard and secure with the attached screw. Replace the terminal cover and secure the screws with a crosshead screwdriver. Be sure to inspect all the fixings and tighten any remaining screws and glands. We hope you find this tutorial helpful.